set of G-pants will help them keep awake during that maneuver. And this will be the start of the overhead parade for the F-18. Oh, the landing light's going off. You know it's on to full power. Here we go. It's going to make some noise. Scared me? Anyways, sneak past. Alright, so McClellan has now reversed the aircraft into a 270-degree turn. As you can see now, he's pretty much positioning himself back up on a downwind position again, like we saw from before. He's going to drop the gear down and look to do another low pass with the gear into a close pattern. What that means is that it's capable of doing both air-to-air and air-to-ground. Now watch as McClellan is set up for what we would call otherwise a 10-degree strafe attack or a low-level awareness training descent. Comes down the track. Practice his profile here, so we're back in, coming down, and trigger down. Come on. Four times the force of gravity exerted on his body at the moment. offshore with the United States Navy. So he also was currently qualified on the Super Hornet. So a slightly larger version of our current F-18. It's actually about another third bigger. It carries more ordnance and obviously has more power and speed. It's used by the United States Navy Blue Angels demonstration team, and Taylor's had the opportunity to be able to fly that as well as a exchange pilot. What the airplane uses in order to set up for final approach and speed. We actually don't use airspeed in the aircraft. We actually use angle of attack. So we're going to head up the sway, which this aircraft does have. We actually use an angle of attack, and there's actually a meter on the left side. We call it the E bracket, and we've actually put the speed tape in the E bracket, which actually sets the AOA up for our approach and final approach. Well, let's give you one more close pattern here, and he's going to be setting up for his last pass. Last pass after this one is going to be one that's going to take him back to Edmonton. So everybody stand up, give him a big wave, big thank you. You know he's looking out there, he's going to be waving at you. Ladies and gentlemen, the CF-18 Hornet. Ladies and gentlemen, now look behind you. We got one last pass from McLovin. The high-speed pass overhead.